Red to green color blindness is X-linked recessive. Let x to the power of r equals normal allele, x to the power of r equals colorblind allele. The woman's father was colorblind, so his genotype must have been X-Re. Since she is normal but has a colorblind father, she is a carrier, X-R. The man is colorblind, so his genotype is X-Re. Each daughter gets x to the power of r from the father and either x to the power of r or x to the power of r from the mother with equal probability. Thus, we have 50% X-R, carrier, not colorblind, 50% X-R, colorblind. Therefore, the probability that a daughter is colorblind is 1/2.